Good evening everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Google Assistant possibly rebranded as Bard on phones, WhatsApp testing file sharing feature resembling AirDrop, Ola CEO shares Sanskrit poem generated by AI tool Krutrim, Samsung clarifies AI features on Galaxy S24 series, Realme 12 Pro and Realme 12 Pro Plus launch in India, Oppo find X7 Ultra battery life test, Google Pay partners with NPCI for UPI global expansion and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Google has introduced Gemini AI, raising speculation about rebranding its AI assistant as Bard on phones. The app update on Play Store showcases Bard separately, fueling rumors of a shift from Assistant to Bard. Google's AI-centric plans and the evolution of ChatGPT on Android phones indicate a new approach to its AI assistant. The potential vague word for activation may change from Hey Google to Hey Bard. WhatsApp is testing a file sharing feature allowing users to share files up to 2 GB through Bluetooth connectivity. Users can initiate sharing by shaking their phones within WhatsApp share file section. The feature prioritizes privacy with end-to-end encryption, hiding phone numbers during transfer. WhatsApp continues to introduce new features including WhatsApp Web supporting status updates. Ola CEO Bhavish Agrawal shares a Sanskrit poem generated by Ola's AI tool named Krutrim for the Ram Mandir inauguration. Krutrim, a large language model trained on over 2 trillion tokens, focuses on India's specific cultural context and accessibility. Basic version available for free personal use with a more advanced version, Krutrim Pro, expected later in 2024. The poem was generated to celebrate the cultural event in Ayodhya. Samsung clarifies that AI features on the Galaxy S24 series will be free until the end of 2025. Not all AI features will be behind a paywall, and the decision beyond 2025 is based on user behavior analysis. Features include live translate, circle to search, nightography, AI summarize, interpreter, and chat assist. Samsung aims to empower users with AI capabilities on its flagship devices. Realme is set to launch the Realme 12 Pro and Realme 12 Pro Plus in India on 29 January, focusing on camera capabilities. Expected specs include up to 12 GB RAM, Snapdragon 7 series for Pro Plus and Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 for Pro, and Android 14 based Realme UI 5. Features may include a 6.7-inch curved edge Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 5000 mAh batteries with 67 watt fast charging. Camera specs include a 64 megapixel primary camera with a periscope lens. Oppo Find X7 Ultra equipped with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and a 5000 mAh battery achieves a battery life score of 1247 hours. The device demonstrates varying durations in different use cases such as 28 hours of talk time, 1645 hours of video playback, and 6 hours and 42 minutes of gaming. Gaming duration is slightly shorter compared to some competitors with a larger battery capacity. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra showcases its performance in active use scenarios. Google India Digital Services and NPCI enter a partnership to expand the use of UPI globally. The collaboration aims to facilitate UPI payments for travelers outside of India and establish UPI-like digital payment systems in other countries. The move simplifies remittances, reduces dependence on conventional money transfer channels, and enhances UPI's global acceptance. The partnership follows UPI's expansion to countries like Singapore, France, Sri Lanka, and the UAE. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.